Hello students, this is Monica Sharma. Welcome in my channel. How are you students? I hope you all are fine. In last class I discussed the topic subfields or types or branches of accounting. If you want to watch that video, link provided in description, you can watch with the help of link. Okay, today we will discuss class 11 chapter 1 topic user of accounting information and their needs. Okay, in this topic, we will study who are users of accounting information and why are they interested for accounting information. Okay, so let's start. Users of accounting. As you know, accounting information is used by various groups of people who have contact with the business enterprise. They are They use accounting information in order to satisfy some of their varied needs for information. These users may be classified A. Internal users, B. External users. Who are internal users? Internal users are the persons who are directly involved in managing and operating with business enterprise. Okay. In this category, following are included. First, owners, second, management, third, employees. Okay. First is owners. A business owner is the legal proprietor of a business. The person who owns the business is known as the owner. They invest their capital in business. Second is management. They directly involved in managing and operating the business enterprise. They run the business and take business related decision. Third is employees. They work in a organization. Means workers are included in this category. Okay. External users. B is external users. Who are external users? Individual or organization who have present or future interest in the business enterprise but are not part of the management are called external users of accounting information. Okay. In this category, first included is bank and financial institutions. Second in investor and potential investors. Who are investors? The person who invests the money in business is known as a investors. And who are potential investors? The persons who want to or think to. Investment in business organization is known as the potential investors. Okay. Third is creditors. Creditors are the person who are to be paid an amount by the enterprise for buying from the goods or service on credit. Okay. Lenders. Next is lenders. Fifth is tax authorities. And sixth is government. And seventh in others. In others, three are included. First, researchers. Second, consumers. And third is public. Okay. Now we discussed who are users of accounting information. Okay. Now we will discuss why are they interested for accounting information or financial information of the business. First, internal user is owner. Owner are interested in accounting information because they invested their money in an organization. Okay. So they want to know return on investment, financial health of their company or business. Clear? Second is management. To evaluate the performance to take various decisions. As you know, management take many decisions to run the business. For example, cost of product, determining selling price, where or in which product or project should invest. So books of accounting or accounting information helps them to manage the business. Clear? Third is employees. Employees are interested of accounting information because profitability to claim higher wages and business whether their dues, PF, ESI, etc. deposited regularly. Means employees need information about the profit of business to assess the ability of the business to pay higher wages and business whether their dues, PF, ESI, etc. deposit regularly. Okay. Internal user first is bank and financial institutions. Bank and financial institutions are interested for safety and recovery of loan provided. Because bank gave us loan for starting business or running business, bank want to make sure business is performing well or not, they are able to return our loan or not. Second is investors and potential investors. Okay, they are interested to know about their safety, growth of their investments and future of the business. Third is creditors. Creditors are interested assessing the financial ability of the business to pay in debts. Okay. Next is tax authorities. Next is tax authorities. Tax authorities are interested in the financial statement, assessment of due taxes, true and fair disclosure of accounting information. Clear? Next is the government. Government is interested to compile national income and other information helps to take policy decisions. Others three are included. Clear? First is a consumer or customers. Second is researchers and third is public. First is consumers or customers. Consumer or customers are interested in financial information to reduce cost of product and cost control. As a consumer, you want to know product price is reasonable or not. So you are interested in accounting information or financial statement of company. Next is researchers. Researchers are interested to research work. Next is public. Public are interested for financial information to substantial contribution of business to economy. Clear? This topic is completed. If you have any problem, ask me in comment. Subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos. Okay, bye bye students.